Namaskar and welcome to AIN Sports News. UEFA opens disciplinary proceeding against three European giants after Super League venue. UEFA has opened disciplinary proceeding against Real Madrid, Barcelona and Juventus after the team involvement in the European Super League. The three European giants were part of a group of 12 teams that announced plans to form a breakaway competition in April. After the new format received heavy criticism, the other 9 clubs Arsenal, Chelsea, Liverpool, Manchester City, Manchester United, Tottenham Hotspur, AC Milan, Inter Milan and Atletico Madrid quickly reserved courses, expressing regret for the action and recommitting to UEFA club and national team competitions. Roger Federer and Serena Williams suffer shock defeats to dent French Open preparations. Roger Federer and Serena Williams may be able to put 43 Grand Slam singles titles between them, but both were left stunned by defeats within hours of each other on Tuesday. In this first match since he made his injury comeback in March, Federer was beaten by Pablo Andújar at the Geneva Open, while Williams fell in a straight set to Katerina Siniakova in the Emilia-Romagna Open. With the French Open set to begin on May 30, it's hardly the ideal preparation for the year's second Grand Slam. Speaking after his 6-4, 4-6, 6-4 defeat to world number 75 Andújar, the 39-year-old Federer said he wanted not a win, thinking about winning of Roland Garros as he continues his return after 2 knee surgeries in 2020. Phil Mickelson become oldest major winner as he wins a thrilling PGA Championship. Phil Mickelson minted golf history on Saturday, becoming the oldest winner of a major tournament with his victory at 2021 PGA Championship. He finalized 2 shots ahead of Brooks Koepka and Louis Oosthuizen at Kiewit Island, Oceans Coast, following an excellent final round performance, finishing 6 under for the tournament. In winning at age 50, Mickelson suppressed the record previously held by Julius Boros, who won the PGA Championship in 1968 at age 48. The victory is the 6th major title of Mickelson's long and storied career, with his previous PGA Championship coming 16-year-old in 2005. Cancelling Tokyo Olympics is essential for off-table, says IOC member Dick Pound. International Olympic Committee member Dick Pound says he believes the Olympic Games will go ahead this year and says the option of cancelling the event is essentially off the table. Speaking to Aaj India News, Selina Wang, Pound insisted that all indications suggest a bubble around those participating in Tokyo can be maintained, but he stopped short of guaranteeing that it will be completely safe amid the pandemic. Nobody can guarantee anything. Let's be reasonable on that, he said. But all the indications that the bubble can be created and maintained and daily or whatever the frequency of test will be, will identify and indications that there may be some people having the virus that are there. They will be put into isolation right away. Earlier this year, Pound, who is longest serving member of the IOC, put the likelihood of the Games going ahead at about 75%, but now says the probability is much higher, with experts learning more about the virus every day. Bangladesh topped ICC Cricket World Cup Super League ranking after winning home series against Sri Lanka. The Bangladesh cricket team extended its winning streak at home after they defeated Sri Lanka by 103 runs via DLS method in the second one-day international. With the win, they not only took an unassailable 2-0 lead in 3 matches series, but also topped the International Cricket Council Men's Cricket World Cup Super League standing, the host by the Tamim Iqbal recorded their fourth consecutive win at home in this competition by beating Sri Lanka in Dhaka on Sunday, May 23. Courtesy of his victory, Bangladesh has jumped to the summit post within 50 points to their name from 8 matches so far. Will still have a match in hand? They are closely followed by defending champions England at second place, while Pakistan are at third spot after 6 matches. For more sports news, keep watching AIN Sports.